Ever wondered how to make the perfect Christmas spiced apple cider donuts? Today, we're diving into this delightful recipe that's not only easy to follow, but perfect for the holiday season. Ready to discover the secret to these festive treats? Stay tuned. To start, gather all your ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, baking powder, and salt, the foundations of our donuts. Next, we have granulated sugar and butter to sweeten things up. We'll be using apple cider, the star of the show, which will give our donuts a rich, tangy flavor. Don't forget the Christmas spices, a blend of cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves to bring the festive warmth. Lastly, eggs will bind everything together. With everything in place, you're one step closer to these delicious donuts. Now it's time to create some magic in the kitchen. We start off with the dough. Mix together flour, baking powder, salt, and a dash of cinnamon in a bowl. In a separate bowl, whisk together melted butter, sugar, egg, and apple cider. Combine the two and knead until it forms a soft dough. Next, it's shaping time. Roll the dough out on a floured surface until it's about half an inch thick. Use a round cutter for the donuts and a smaller one for the holes. Now, on to the frying. Heat some oil in a deep pan and carefully drop the donuts in. They'll need about 2 minutes on each side until they're a lovely golden brown. Finally, the glazing. Mix powdered sugar, a hint of cinnamon, and apple cider for a deliciously spiced glaze. Dip your freshly fried donuts in and let them set. And there you have it, your very own Christmas spiced apple cider donuts. Congratulations on making your festive donuts. We've journeyed through the delightful world of Christmas spiced apple cider donuts, rediscovering the joy of homemade cooking. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious and easy to follow recipes.